Partner with Brehon AI today.
For decades, the editorial process relied on individual human accountability. Institutional reputation was built on editors and reporters who vetted every claim. Legacy publishing was constrained by physical scarcity. Because printing and distribution were resource-intensive, publishers had to verify their facts before information could reach the public. Mistakes within this system left a trail. You could track a specific error back through the chain of responsibility directly to a human desk. This era of analog scarcity enforced a culture where trust was a byproduct of human verification. That baseline has now disappeared. Generative AI removed the physical friction of content production. Creation is now limitless and instant, allowing a single system to output more media in a day than a legacy newsroom could in a century. This new scale lacks visibility. Modern AI models operate as black boxes, generating outputs without an internal map to explain their own logic or reasoning. The result is a surge in untraceable information. From algorithmic hallucinations to sophisticated deepfakes, we are seeing the rise of content that mimics truth without underlying evidence. Regulators are attempting to impose order on this unmapped landscape. The European Union's Digital Services Act now mandates strict standards for recommender systems and content moderation. This creates a structural conflict. Publishers cannot prove they are compliant when the AI systems they use are unable to explain why they generated a specific result. The DaVinciA Plus framework redefines compliance as a technical export, a continuous stream of mathematical data. This is achieved through rules like DVP-11. It enforces a strict reference usage policy, ensuring that every factual output is tied to a specific source document. This mathematical enforcement forces the model to actively retrieve and link to verified data, providing a significant barrier against fabrication of facts. If the AI cannot cryptographically verify a claim, it triggers a graceful failure. The system stops the generation process and acknowledges that the information is unavailable. Curious tone. These strict mechanics ground the AI in evidence, turning an unpredictable generator into a controlled research instrument. Every request must move through a 15-node governance spine, where information is vetted through sequential checkpoints. In the pre-execution gates, the system evaluates the user's intent. If the request violates deterministic policy rules, the workflow executes an immediate block. Under this architecture, the AI is restricted from acting until it receives an explicit authorization from these gates. The system records these decisions in an append-only JSON-B audit ledger. This data is immutable, never altered or erased. Routing decisions and guardrail triggers are logged in real time, resulting in a stamped evidence pack stored in a secure vault. This final log serves as a permanent event contract, a verifiable record of how the system behaved. The system provides auditors with the exact mathematical proof required to reconstruct a session, replacing verbal claims of safety with raw evidence. With DaVinciA+, AI shifts from being a high-risk liability to a transparent operational asset. This framework implements traceability by design, a process that provides the visibility required by the EU AI Act. The technical documentation demanded by regulators is no longer a manual writing task. It is exported directly from the system's own audit logs. This automated export removes the friction between rapid innovation and the necessity of legal safety. Ward Publications is the first IP studio to use this governance framework to rebuild the digital publishing ecosystem. They are architecting AI legends, intelligent digital companions who operate under these strict ethical and technical boundaries. This governance model allows these AI characters to operate in high-stakes fields, like healthcare and professional sports, where the cost of an error is absolute. The transition from assumed trust to verifiable evidence is now a matter of record. The future of media is mathematically proven.